the last 5 years, we have invested significant resources to rebuild the law enforcement agencies and other bodies that were devastated by corruption.
Umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa uthi ubukhohlakali bulimaze inkululeko ngendlela eziningi bebaqeda nethemba lamaSewula Afrika emazikweni ahlukahlukeneko.
Actually, I'm shocked, that senior counsellors like this can actually behave in this way. I'm just shocked.
Ijaji lisilingeke liqeda ithukela namhlanje ekhotho ecaleni likaSenzo Meyiwa bonobangela ukuthi batsho kunemhlolo evuzileko ebonwe basola kungakafanele bayibone. Kwaba kuhle ukuhlanganiswa zendaba kodwa ku SABC 1 zesiNdebele lotshani. Umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa uthi ubukhohlakali bulimaze inkululeko ngendlela eziningi bebaqeda nethemba lamaSewula Afrika emazikweni ahlukahlukeneko. uRamaphosa urage wathi ubukhohlakali nabungaqedwako abuzukulimaza ukwakhiwa kwamathuba omsebenzi kwaphela kodwa nabuzokumotsha ichaphulo eyalwelwa kabuhlungu. uRamaphosa bekakhuluma embizweni yamalanga amabili yokulwisana nobukhohlakali iNational Anti-Corruption Advisory Council National Dialogue ebanjelwe eBoksburg eJohannesburg.
Umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa uthi ubukhohlakali akusiyinto yathoma ngemva kokulwela kwenkululeko ngo-1994 uthi nombuso webandlululo wawukhohlakele.
Having fought a just struggle against this system of apartheid, it was our intention that the overthrow of apartheid would herald a new era of integrity, of honesty, and ethical conduct by all who are in positions of responsibility.
uRamaphosa uthi njengoba namaSouth Africa asikimela umbuso webandlululo akhange agcine lapho asikimile kodwa ngesikhathi sokulwisana nokugola kwelawulo lombuso.
Over the last 5 years, we have invested significant resources to rebuild the law enforcement agencies and other bodies that were devastated by corruption. And I often say to people, what Justice Zondo investigated, in many ways, is just the tip of the iceberg.
Umengameli uthi amaziko kunye neminyango eminingi isebenza ngamandla ukuqeda ubukhohlakali kunye nokubopha labo abathineke ebukhohlakalini. uRamaphosa uthi hlangana nalabo abasebenza buduyisi majaji kanti akasebenzi ngaphasi kwelawulo lomuntu namkha ihlangano ethileko uthi azijamele begodu azithathele inqiqondo. Iindabeni ze-SABC ngingufilmon Sikhosana eAuckland Park eJohannesburg.
Ilunga lalokhu labanqophisi bePost Bank lidosele ekhotho ungqongqoshe wezokuthintana uMondli Gungubele layo mmangalela ukuthi umqothe ngokungemthetho ngaphandle kokulandela ikambiso efaneleko ngokukhukhula mungwana onyaka.
Ngokuya kwamaphepha afungeleka azaliswe ekhotho ephakemeko ePitori akakhanyi kuhle unobangela wamarekhodi atshengisa okuphambene nokulunga. Ilungelo belingamela amahlelo ezokusatshalaliswa kwemali licatshazelwe kuhlangahlangana kwamhlapha kokubhadelwa kwabathola isibonelelo sikahulumende. Uthi ungqongqoshe uthethe isiqundo esi ngokutshengisa ukuthi akamthembi ngaphandle kokulandela ikambiso engiyo. Uthi ufuna ukubuyiselwa esikhundleni. Bawikhotha ukuthi imemezelo ukuqothwa kwakhe njengokungekho emthethweni ufuna nokuthi kube nokuba ukulitshalelwa tshachalazi bhadelwe nendleko zekhotho.
Ukomshinara weSARS uEdward Kisweta uthi ukubhalelwa kwe-Eskom kuphakela igezi ngefanelo kunye neentshijilo zokuthutha kwaTransnet kudla iSARS i-200 billion yamaranda. Estatementeni sesabelo semali saphakathi komnyaka bomnyango wezemali babike ukuthi imali yomthelo ebuthelelwako yehle nge-57 billion yamaranda. Lokhu kubangelwe okukhulu kuphunguka kwemali engeniswa ikoro yezokumayina nemali ephezulu ebhadelwa ababhadeli bomthelo.
Ababutheleli bomthelo bathi imali abayibuthelele ngaphambi kokuthi babhadele imali ekufuze ibuyele ebabhadelini bomthelo ikhuphuke nge-4.5% nakulinganiswa nomnyaka opheleleko ngesikhathi esifanako. Kodwa imali ebhadelwa ababhadeli bomthelo ikhuphukile. iSARS ithi ibhadela i-29 billion yamaranda ebabhadelini bomthelo ekuyinto ebeyingakalindeleki. Ukungasebenzi kuhle emthelweni ongeniswa amabhizinisi nakho kube nomthelela njengomana kwehle nge-36 billion yamaranda. Kwehle khulukhulu imali engeniswayo ikoro yezokumayina. Ikoro le iphazanyiswe khulu ukuqindeliswa kwegezi, ukuthwala nzima ngehlangothini lekuthuthweni kwempahla nentengo eziphasi zemikhiqizo.
Our estimate and estimate of various economists is that combined between Eskom and Transnet, the revenue loss, not the economic impact, just the tax revenue loss, is in excess of 200 billion rand. So it's not insignificant.
Ungqongqotjhe wezemali umemezela ukuthi kuzokuba nesiphakamiso sekambiso yomthelo ukwenzela ukuthi kubuthelwe imali yomthelo eyi-15 billion yamaranda eminyakeni wemali ozako. Ukommissionera we-SARS uthi kwakhathesi akukabi ukukhanya bona imali leyo iyokubuyaphi.
In addition to growing the tax base, as I said, additional revenue from the same base can come from two measures. The first is to increase rates.
Ukiswetha uthi isigaba sethemba kwa-SARS sesikhuphukele ku-66% nabe kulinganiswa ekuthomeni komnyaka lo sisuka ku-48% yango-2018.
Kuphazamisekile ukulayelwa kwecala lokubulawa kwakaSenzomiwe namhlanje ekhotho ephakemeko ePitori. Ngonobangela wokuthi kuvela indaba ezithi abasolwa bayifundile imihlolo yamagcwetha enobufakazi. Engikho ukusilinge ekhulu ijaji uRatha Mokgwatleng wafuna impendulo emagcwetheni wabasolwa.
Konke kuthome kuhle ekhotho ephakemeko ePitori. Gqwetha lomsola wesihlanu advocate Zandile Mshololo uthi ngokomthetho uSayijen Vusumuze Mokhane wakufanele agadangise konke okwenzeka ngesikhathi achiwa ngembuzo umsola wesihlanu umuzi Msibiya.
Whenever there is an interview between the police and the suspect, that interview has to be recorded.
Kodwana umtshutshisi advocate George Baloyi yena bekaphikisana nalokho ngelithi uSibiya bekangakafanele ukugadangiswa. Uthe ngemva kwalapho kwathoma kwavela indaba yokuthi abasolwa namhlanje ekseni bafunde imihlolo yamagcwetha.
The document was disclosed to my colleagues in line with what the court said yesterday, that it's only meant for the eyes of the court as well as the defense counsel.
No, but they say the accused were reading it.
Yes, well.
Ijaji lithi lidanile ngendlela amagcwetha abasolwa aziphethe ngayo.
They got it obviously from the...
Yes.
Actually, I'm shocked, that senior counsels like this can actually behave in this matter. I'm just shocked.
Elinye igcwetha lomsola lathi awa abanganindwa bonke ngepende yinye. Kodwana akhangafuna ukukuzwa lokho ujaji.
It seems as if all of us they just decided to stand up and give these documents to...
No, fine. You can tell me. Did your client see that document?
I did not consult with my client this morning.
Did he see? You don't know if he saw the document?
I don't know whether he saw the document or what.
Indaba le igcine ilanyulwa ngo-advocate Mshololo.
My client informs me that when they were grouped together with accused number 2, 4 and 5, they were reading this document, my lord. Or maybe if I can just show it to my lord.
It's not the one that is prepared by...
It's not the one, my lord.
Ngemva kwalokho urakele phambili uSayijen Vusumuze Mokhane nokuthula ubufakazi.
Nasibuya Ntondo.
When their owners come forward, they will then be made to pay even all the outstanding fines that were legally set aside.
Umnyango wezokuphepha komphakathi eMpumalanga uthi bonke abantu abathinteka ephohlakalini nekhwabanisweni kwama-license bazoyibhadela yonke imali engaphezu kwe-35 million yamaranda elahleke esiteshini sama-license wokuchayela esiyabuswa nakwamhlanga.
Sizihubulula la zikhona sibuye nazo siziphethe ngokudlekana kwazo. Nanyana zikude kangangani siyafika la. Zepolitiki, zomnotho, zomphakathi, zamasiko nezimo. Sizibopha zibe yinyanga. Sizichapulule nasifika nazo kuwo. Sibuya nenyanga lihlelo lendaba ezinabileko ku-DTT qobe ngabo losibili iphiko leendaba ze-SABC.
Usabukela Iindaba ngesiNdebele nawuqeda ukufika siyakwamukela. Khumbula bona iindaba ezi ziyatholakala ku-Facebook naku-YouTube nazikutholile. Asirage naso. Iintetshi zamalayisensi wokuchayela esiyabuswa nakwamhlanga eMpumalanga zilahlekelwe imali engaphezu kwe-35 million yamaranda kunobangela wobukhohlakali nobukhwabanisi bama-license disc. Kukholwa bona kunehlanganisela yabakhwabanisi evuselela amalayisensi nemithelo yenkoloyi beyasula nenkwelede zabantu ngokungemthetho. Ihlanganisela yabakhwabanisi le ifaka phakathi abanikazi bamatraka kunye neenthuthi ezithutha impahla yenkampani ezithileko. Umnyango wezokuphepha komphakathi eMpumalanga unethemba lokuthi uzoyibuyisa imali etshiweko le.
Ihlanganisele kulenilisi esebenza ukuvuselela umthelo yenkoloyi khulukhulu isiza abanikazi bamatraka, iinkampani ezithutha impahla nabantu kunye nezinye inthuthi. Ubukhohlakali nobukhwabanisi obenzeka lapha bukhulu kangangokuthi bobize iingidigidi zamaranda. Ukwenza umsebenzi lo, iinkhulu ezisebenza eenteyitshini ezi ziyabhadelwa bona ziphisane ngemininingwane yabo yokungena kumakhompyutha wemsebenzini yazo ama-login details.
The department has lost about 28 million rand between 6 and 9 October, but it later emerged that there's about over 7 million rand that were lost up to the 2nd of November. So in essence, we are talking about 35 million rand plus. This happened when some syndicates or individuals colluded with, we believe, with some of the officials to steal their login details in Komhlanga and Siyabuswa in order to do license this remotely, not necessarily at the affected centers.
Soloko kwango-2020 sekubotshwe iinkhulu ezima-20 kanti umnyaka lo uwodwa kubotshwa abanikazi beenkoloyi ezithutha impahla abathathu ngobukhohlakali nobukhwabanisi obubiza iingidigidi zamaranda. Abasolwa bakhamba ikhotho kanti abanye abaningi basazunywa kufaka hlangana nabatshayeli beenkoloyi. Umnyango lo ujamile ke lokuthi uzoyibuyisa imali etshiweko.
When these individuals come forward to renew their license disc, an admin mark will be placed by the department on this license disc to indicate that there's something wrong with them. When their owners come forward, they will then be made to pay even all the outstanding fines that were legally set aside.
Iziko labaphathi lendlela i-Road Traffic Management Corporation lithi ingasikade lizokufaka ihlelo lama-fingerprints elizokusetshenziswa basebenzi ukungena ehlelweni elisetshenziswako emsebenzini.
Ekhasini lethu le-Facebook sibuzile ukuthi uthini umbono wakho ngokubana iintetshi zamalayisensi esiyabuswa nakwamhlanga eMpumalanga zilahlekelwe imali engaphezu kwe-35 million yamaranda. Nakho umbono wakho yalandela mbukeli.
Awa 3 million yonke awa abantu bema-ofisini laba bayadlala ababotshwe nje khona ngiyabhala yo.
Officials namaphoyisa okuwona atholakele enze le corruption awavela khishwe nje kulo mkhakha lo wezamalayisensi ngoba phela yibona ababulala eSouth Africa.
Uyabona ungaya noma yiphi i-license department elapha eNingizimu Afrika impela ngiyabheja inkohlakalo ithole ikhona.
Sivele abantu bangagcina babenzile ukukirikitshana ngoba khulukhulu nonekoloyi mhlawumbe ikoloyi yakho indala so ufuna ukuyikhipha endleni namkha ukuyiscrapper bayakujikisa mkhathi babusa ngapha nangapha kuthiwa ifaneke ize ikoloyi leyo faneke siyibone kuthatha isikhathi and uthola ukuthi isikolodo siyakhula so yingakho abantu benzela nokukirikitshana ukuthi mhlawumbe zisulwe nokusulwa mkhathi.
Akusekho ukuthi kwenzakelele kwaMhlanga nesiyabuswa kuphela. iSouth Africa leyo yonke igcwele ngecorruption ngeke ngeyiphele. Hayi
leyo yona ngeze sayihona. Leyo yona izokubhala kakhulu leyo. Wonke umbereko unokukhwabanisa.
Alabenzeka ukukhohlakali la eMhlanga la dala. Stand from igedini nanoma uselayini nete na usiphathele ngapha uyafaka.
Umbono ngewombukeli SABC ezokuthwesa ukuziphendulela ngombono wombukeli. Njengoba nabafundi baka-matric batlola nje sikuthembisile ukuthi sizokunande sikuqalela ukuthi wena njengomfundi kuyini ongakulindela emaphepheni osazowatlola. Kanti kusasa nangelesihlanu kuzabe kuhlolwa iphepha le-business studies lokuthoma kunye ne-physical sciences paper 1. Nanzi ngiyeleliso esikuphathele zona namhlanje.
Lokho nawutlola ama-problems noma usolve ama-problems wakho ngaphakathi kwephepha le-physical sciences lokuthoma wenze isiqiniseko sokubana wonke ama-formulas owaberegisayo noma owasebenzisayo uwatlola njengoba anjalo from kwi-formula sheet yakho ukuze ubalekele ukuthi ungaluzi ama-marks ngokuthi utlole iformula ngendlela engasiyo.
Okubalulekileko ukubonyana abafundi babuyelele i-content yabo yomnyaka wonke begodu bayifunde ngokuzwisisa. Ngiyacabanga bonyana abafundi sele bayelele bona ekuthomeni kwenye nenye i-chapter kuhlathululwa ama-keywords ekufanele umfundi awazi because they form part of i-section A. Ama-essay abalulekile, ngakho-ke ne-section B naye ubalulekile. Umfundi kufanele azilungiselele ngokulingana.
Isiyingi senkangala ngokusebenzisana ne-LG Sita sethule isifundo bandulo lapho kuyokubandulwa khona abafundi abama500 abavela kubomasipalati abasithandathu besiyingesi. Abafundi aba bazokubandulwa ngaphasi komkhakha we-plumbing, i-roadworks kunye ne-building and civil construction.
Ukuhlela kwamakghonofundwa kusukumisa uhulumende wesingi senkangala bona ethula ihlelo lokunikela ngamakghonofundwa khulukhulu ebantwini abatsha. Imphathimandla zesingesi zithi indaba kulu lizinga eliphezulu labantu abangasebenziki elizweni lekhethweli. Ngalokho-ke bahlose ukulisana nokuhlogeka kwemisebenzi khulukhulu endaweni zemakhaya.
Izinga labantu abangasebenzi in South Africa liyakhula and therefore kufuneka ukuthi sibe nama-intervention. This is one of the intervention esiza nayo as a district led by the district of course ukuthi singenelele kule ndaba yokuthi kube khona izinga eliphakeme labantu abangasebenzi especially abantu abasha nabomama. That's why la kugcwele abomama nabantu abasha yibona abaparticipatayo kule program lena.
Njengoba silauncha khona namhlanje program ithomile nasiceda la bayasala bona nabaqeda i-lunch bayasala kuthoma i-induction khona namhlanje.
Abantu abatsha balamukele ithuba elimi bathi lizokuthuthukisa amakghonofundwa abo begodu kuzokuvuleka namathuba amaningi wemisebenzi ukuya phambili.
Sibonga kakhulu for le opportunity abasinike yona ngoba izosiza ukuthi siyehlise izinga le-unemployment.
Ngizothola i-skills, ngizothola i-certificate, i-national certificate ye-NQF level 4. Ngizokhona ukuthi after that ngithole i-placement yomsebenzi or like ngithole an entrepreneur opportunity.
Isifundo bandulo lesi siyokuthoma ngomhla ka-13 enyangeni ephezulu le bekube ngomhla ka-12 ngoSinyikhaba ngomnyaka ozako.
Ngezemali, iranta lehlile nalilinganiswa nezinye imali ezikulu. Njenganje sidlulisela indaba kusibusiso ehlelweni sibuya nabazumi ukuzwa bona baphetheni. Sibu lijame njani ihlelo?
Siyathokoza Thandeka silotshisa nombukelo khona usekhaya namhlanje. Indaba esiziphetheko namhlanje lihlelo elikhethekileko. Siyokhulumisana nabavela kumasipala wethembisile esifundeni sempumalanga lapha kwaNdebele. Indaba esiyicheche khulu umasipala lo ukhuthaza izakhamuzi ukuthi azibhadalele insiza abazitholako kumasipala. Ngale kwalokho batsho bakhona abanye abanechudu abangazithola sele basulelwe inkwelede kumasipala lo. Sokunikela nomlaleli wakumasipala lo ithuba lokuthi abe nombuzo namtjana umfakele. Ngiyo-ke indaba esiphethe khulu namhlanje ehlelweni sibuya nabazumi khona lapha kuKwekwezi FM. Sithokoza khulu.
Sithokozile Sibu. Ubujamo bezulu buyalandela nobusayi Mathebula. Zikhona zesiswati kusasa ngesikhathi esifanayo. Ukuthula kwande isitshaba sekosi.
Ngemva kwendaba ezifunda kamnandi nguthandeka siyathokoza namabona ke siqalele ubujamo bezulu ukuthi bunjani enaheni yangaphange South Africa na ke amathuba wezulu alindeleke lapha ePumalanga yesinaga yangaphange South Africa nge30% kuthindeka lapha ke isifunda sangale ngeKZN kuthindeke isifunda salapha eMpumalanga nge30% siyokucalela ukuthi kusasa ngakhani khona ke kubanjani na ke siyabona abantu nabachayela kwekuseni nicheje niyelele ikungu bese ke amathuba wezulu athi ukukhula endaweni zalapha ke eKZN kuthindeke kodwa nesifunda sangale ngeMpumalanga asikatholi ke isilemukiso esivela kwa South African Weather Services kodwa ke siyokucalela amazinga okuchisa ukuthi anjani kusasa sibona lapha ePitori ifuthumele nge28 Johannesburg nge26 Carletonville nge27 kuyasho ukuthi nje isifunda sangale ngeGauteng sifuthumele iLimpopo ke yona ke ithi ukuchisa lapha kuboliphalale Thabazimbi nge32 lapha ke eMusina kubuya ngane nokufuthumele nge24 sibona iphulukwane yona ke ithanda ukuphola nge23 asiyokucala ukuthi sinjani isifunda sangale ke ngeMpumalanga sifuthumele sonke noma ubonile ukuthi kunamathuba wezulu nokho ke akenzi ukuthi kube makhaza kufuthumele boMiddelburg nge25 Malahleni nge26 eSekunda nge26 nakhona asiyokucalela ukuthi kunjani ke kwaZulu Natal sibona lapha ke amathuba wezulu noma kunjalo ke isifunda sithi ukuphola khulu lapha ePietermaritzburg nalapha eKokstad ngabo 19 ePort Shepstone kuthi ke lapha ke eRichards Bay uLundi kuphole ngconywana iLundi nge21 iDurban khona ke nge22 sokucala ukuthi injani ke iPumalanga Kapa sibona ke ifuthumele yonke kodwa kulapha ke emakhanda eGqeberha sibona kuyaphola nalapha ke kuboqonqe kumnandi ngale ngesifundeni sangale ngePumalanga Kapa iJingalanga Kapa yona ke ithanda ukuchisa lapha eWorcester nge31 iClan William neFredendal nazo ke ziyachisa nge35 ne32 kuthi ke ezinye indawo lapha enzasi boMossel Bay sibona khona ke kupholile esifundeni sangapho bese ke iNorthern Cape ithanda ukuchisa kakhulu eUppington nge35 eSpringbok nge33 siyachisa ke isifunda sangapho ngeNorthern Cape Sutherland yona ke ingcono nge27 asiyokucalela msinyazana iFreystata sibone ukuthi yona injani nakhona kubonakala ukuchisa abantu nje bambathe isunscreen ukuthi uhlogomele isikhumba sakho ePortaville nge32 siyokucala lapha ke iNorthwest kokugcina sibona ke isifunda sithanda ukuchisa kuboTosca iMike nge31 iRustenburg nge31 kuthi ke kezinye indawo nakhona kuyachisa abantu ke babo nobusuku obumnandi sibona negodu ngesikhathi esilandelako Dido